Hello. This is Abid. Today we'll discuss about something very important for skilled people, and also we'll discuss very in depth about the employment-based immigration. Uh, since we are running a company, Grosha Capital, we are uh, in a situation that we need some qualified people that need to be worked in our uh, company. So that's why we want to deep dive into this visa process. That the only category that we can help people uh, in that way. But to be honest, this is not the guarantee or something like this. This is the choice of U.S. government that they could either uh, make employment for you know make employment process easy for us so that we can bring, or we can help the skilled people to get in so that U.S. economy can grow, and also U.S. economy can get a boost. So today we'll discuss about employment-based immigration. There are, you see in the picture, a couple of agendas we have settled, written down here in our projection, so that you can get the synopsis, the brief idea, uh, or a summarized way to understand what this system about and what I'm talking today, and how you could put yourself or fit yourself in it. Actually, since the American government has been tough on immigration, there are a lot of laws already in place, but there is always some window for the quality, honest people, and also high quality people, or people those American need actually their service into American economy, into American uh, job market. So let's dive in. So first of all, we'll talk about the general EB visa, what those category is. Actually, EB uh, means employment base visas. They have five types of employment based visa. Those are called EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5. So EB1 basically it's called the external ability or outstanding uh, people like professor, researcher, or multinational managers of the big multinational companies, something like this. Also, like UN kind of people, actually. EB2 an advanced degree or exceptional ability. Not that you have to be a PhD degree, but some kind of American government considered as a advanced degree. Um, to get an advanced degree in America, also there is a pain a lot of. So to hire some advanced degree people to smooth facilitate the American some jolting part of job market actually, so that can fit and match together to make America great again, or make America outstanding in that particular field as well. Okay, so EB3, they need a skilled worker in this category actually, professionals and unskilled worker as well. That comes in EB3, and well, let's go for EB4 actually. It's a special kind of immigration visa given to the religious worker and this kind. So EB5 basically the investor visa. If you invest more than 800,000 or 800,000 plus or million, and you can create jobs. That's what American government wants actually. You know, create jobs in America, America first. All this mission that government dictate, that helps that way actually. So those are the, the basic criteria or basic uh, types of visa, EB visa, that the American government actually support. And this opportunity you can take under, uh, if you fit or match that category or want to match that category. So here you need to do some step-by-step process from, the EB2 or EB3, whatever, So first of all, you need to get a job offer from American employer like Grocer Capital is a company, and you need a kind of job offer from this employer. They have to be employer ID number. E- Uh, that called EI, uh, EI, something like this, EIS or something, EIM. Um, that's employer identification number, EIM. This particular EIN number needed for that company. Since Grocery Capital already have that EIN, so we can say that it is obviously we qualified for that. Uh, and you must have a permanent or full-time job offer from a U.S. employer. Okay, for AB2 NIW, national interest waiver, that is that kind of job offer you need required to apply for EB2. So step two, PREM labor certificate. What does it mean? PERM, PERM, PERM. Employer need to file a PERM program. In the PERM program, okay, program electronic review management. Okay, there's a process that you put all the data in it. It's application type things, and you put all those things that goes to the U.S. Department of Labor (DOL). Okay, and that's the process. First of all, the second step that you need to do that way actually. Uh, in this sense, the employer must prove no qualified U.S. worker is available. If not, it is hard. Okay, you have, as an employer, you have to prove that this kind of worker is not available in USA, and you need those, and you can help them that way. Actually, uh, the job was properly advised. Okay, or advertised. Sorry, you need to advertise that job properly. If not found any person in that category, then you can bring or outsource from overseas. Basically, the posting time may vary. It may vary up 6 to 12 months or maybe more. Uh, it depends. So, step three is you have to fill up a I-40 form, I-140 actually. It is called immigration petition for alien workers. So, employer files the form uh, for them with the UCs, and you know the what UCs is. And it must include the form you fill up, PERM, it must be approved. And then proof of employer financial ability to pay the wage actually. That is necessary. And number, in this stage you have to do premium processing available for faster decision. Processing time may vary from 6 to 9 months or 15 days with premium, actually. So, step 4, you need to wait for priority date to be current. Your priority date is when the PERM or I-140 was filed. Check the visa bulletin monthly from the State Department to see if your priority date is current. Okay, so this wait time will depend on your, you know, country of birth and visa category. Okay, so number 5, apply for green card. Once your priority date is current, you can apply for US, uh, or you can file inside the US, file I-485, adjustment of status with ISIS. Outside, if you are staying outside USA, you can apply through the consular processing at a US embassy or consulate. There is a form required. It's called DS-260. You can fill up that way. So you need a medical exam and biometrics and set an interview. They will eventually. And the last step is receive your green card. Okay. Once approved, you become US permanent resident. You can live and work in the US permanently. So unique notes will, what are the unique notes? You need to write it down. Those are, if you qualified under EV1, A1 extraordinary ability, you can self petition, uh, palm and go directly to I-140, I-485, something like this. And for EV5, that's called investor category visa. You need, as I said earlier, you need to invest 800,000 and above, roughly 1 million, 800 to 1 million in a US business. Okay, file form is I 526 or I 526E investment petition that's needed. So you can fill up these things online or you can download this form I 50 to I 526, sorry, 526 and 526E. That is the investment petition. You can either fill up the PDF file or online, whatever is good for you. Once it is approved, your green card application via I 485 or consular processing is necessary. So in this category, if you invest, you have to at least in the US job market, at least 10 people full time job must create. Okay. So what we get? We get a couple of things in the sixth step process. First of all, you need to get a job offer. You need to get a permission from labor department of labor. That's called PERM certification. Uh, and the form number, uh, I think the form should be ETA form 9089. Then you need a immigrant petition form I-140. Wait for the priority date. Then you get the green card. You need to apply for green card application. Those form are form I-485 AOS or DS-260. And then you need to uh, your green card is being issued. So these are all the things that you need while you're applying for EB visa category, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, EB5. So that's the best option to get a US to become a US legal and live happily after. So thank you. If you have any questions, just write me in the comments box. I'll be answering you all this question. I'll be happy to answer all this. Thank you.